Top carry-on essentials. What to pack in your personal item on a plane. Hey there, fellow travelers. I'm super excited to share my personal item packing secrets with you. Today, we're going deep into what I stash in my carry-on bag when I'm on an international adventure. This little bag packs a punch, and I'm about to show you why. You see, when you're flying, you're allowed not one, but two bags. The first is your carry-on luggage that fits in the overhead bin. You know, that classic carry-on everyone talks about. But the second bag is your personal item, and it's got a bit of a hidden potential. It's not just your small purse or laptop bag. It can be much bigger than that. So today, I'm sharing the essential items I stash in my personal item bag to make every trip smooth sailing. Because let's face it, airlines can throw curveballs at you, and you want to be prepared. Now, let's get started. So, what's in this magical bag of tricks? Well, let's start with the most important part, paperwork. You might think it's just boring documents, but trust me, these can be lifesavers. First up, I'm all about the backups, folks. Trust me, when you're on the go, unexpected things happen. So, I keep backup paperwork. I carry at least one photocopy of my passport. This is a must. And my travel insurance info. I jot it down on my passport copy, including the company name, policy number, and emergency contact. This stuff is gold. Sometimes, you'll want a printed travel itinerary, especially if your journey involves multiple moving parts. It can be a lifesaver, or at least a time saver, when you need to show proof of accommodation or onward travel. Trust me, it's better to have it printed out than rely on spotty Wi-Fi. Always carry a few pens with you. I've seen folks stranded in line at the boarding gate, trying to borrow a pen. You'd be amazed at how often they come in handy. Ever seen people in line at the boarding gate, desperately searching for a pen to fill out forms? Don't be that person. I usually stash one in my laptop bag and another in the bag or wallet that holds my passport. Now, let's talk electronics. Your gadgets are precious cargo, always keep them in your personal carry-on bag. It's not just for security, but also because you can't pack items with lithium batteries in checked luggage. It's a safety thing. I love my wireless earbuds. They make the flight so much more enjoyable. But I also carry old-school earbuds with a cord. You can plug these into the onboard entertainment system and watch movies without relying on those flimsy, low-quality provided headphones. Oh, and don't forget your e-reader. It's a game-changer for long flights. Trust me, long flights get a lot less boring when you have a virtual library at your fingertips. You'll thank me later. When it comes to comfort, I'm all about an extra layer of clothing. Planes can get chilly, and you never know if they'll have blankets. I've even been on flights where they charge for them. This merino wool hoodie is my go-to, and it has some cool features for travel. Some people like to have eye masks and earplugs for better sleep. If you're aiming for some in-flight shut-eye, these might be your best friends. Now, I have this little pouch with a bunch of handy stuff. Tissues, a towelette to clean my seat area, lip balm, hand lotion, sanitizer, all the essentials. Plus, a power bank to recharge my phone if it's running low. It's your lifeline to keep your phone or other gadgets charged during your journey. Super useful when you're in the middle of a long flight and your battery is running on fumes. I also carry this sunscreen. It's great for keeping my face protected on the go. And there's a mini medical kit with over-the-counter meds, just in case. Stay hydrated. I use a collapsible water bottle that rolls up when it's empty. It saves money and reduces plastic waste. Plus, I keep any prescription meds in my personal bag for easy access. I carry a few extras too, like sunglasses and snacks. You never know when you'll need them. And don't forget to pack a change of clothes. Just in case your luggage gets misplaced, or you have to check your carry-on. I also carry a collapsible coffee cup to save on waste and sometimes even get discounts on coffee. So, that's what I pack in my personal item bag for a comfortable and hassle-free trip. But, what about you? Do you have any must-haves in your personal item bag? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, fellow travelers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and adventures. Until next time, safe travels and happy packing.